Well, I got the new hose on. All you got to do when you unplug it, just slide it back through. I'll tighten it up right here. Now see why that's holding up? What's going on? That bouncer has to be put on there, the weight, to make it pull back down. Let's take a look. Here I'm having a hard time plugging up the hose, so I need two hands. That's why I'm laying on my back trying to plug it up. You gotta mash the button and then just push it up. Here you see me putting the weight on to make the hose stay down. Without that weight, that faucet pull will not stay in place. So this weight is designed to put weight on the hose to pull the hose back down. After installing the hose, I'm checking for leaks, make sure it is not leaking up under the sink. That was the problem before. Make sure the hose is not leaking, no drips, anything. Although that hose plug up like a airline, very easy to install this hose. You don't have to take all the sink or the faucet out on this. You just mash the button and unplug it, which makes it real easy. That should be it. Let's try it and see what happens. Great. Here I'm testing the hot side and the cold side, making sure both is on and working properly, pulling it out to see if it's leaking or any of that thing like that. But seems to be working perfect. No leaks. Job done. Gotta wash my hands after messing with all that water up under the sink. Let me show you what I use to do this job. This is the part number I use that I ordered from Amazon, if you can see that. B08533CQ6V. This was the hose that I used. This is a Moen faucet. This is the quick connect that I was having a hard time putting in, but it was easy to get out. This white line here tell you where the weight go. So if this hose didn't come with a line, so I put a piece of black tape right there. That way I know exactly where the weight goes. So I just measured where this from there and used the tape to find where the weight go. Because you want the weight to be pulling on the line so it'll pull back in. And that worked great.